Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve 3 divided by 2, and then you have 6 minus 4 inside these brackets, or in other words, parentheses. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach over 10,000 subscribers. If we can reach 100,000 subscribers, that will be awesome. And then from there on will be even more awesome. So let's go ahead and solve this math problem. And to solve this math problem, we're going to need the help of PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is just an acronym that will help us remember the order of operations. Now, looking at the first letter of PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, and I do see parentheses in our problem. Next letter, E. E stands for exponents, and I don't see any exponent in our math problem. M stands for multiplication. We can multiply 2 times 6, so multiplication is there. Division, that's D. I do see division in our math problem, 3 divided by 2. Then we have A for addition. I don't see any addition in our math problem. And lastly, S for subtraction, and I do see subtraction in our parentheses, 6 minus 4. Now, one of the biggest mistakes some people make when using PEMDAS is not realizing that it is split into 4 different levels. P has its own level, E has its own level, and D, both operations are within its own level, and lastly, AS, both operations are within its own level. So we have 4 different levels, and we're looking at a math problem like this one with different operations. You don't just follow the letters in a strict order, like M goes first, and then D goes second, or A goes first and S goes second. No, instead you work from left to right according to PEMDAS letters, or in other words, you solve the math problem from left to right within each level. There you go. All right, so let's go ahead and use PEMDAS to solve this math problem. 3 divided by 2 and then 6 minus 4 in these parentheses. All right, and I'm gonna leave PEMDAS right over here so then you can all see there. All right, so first we start with parentheses. So 6 minus 4, which is inside the parentheses, is 2, right? So 6 fingers, take away 4, that's 2. Times, let's bring down the 2 down, division symbol down, and the 3 down. Now we have 3 divided by 2 times 2. Now, again, you solve the math problem from left to right according to PEMDAS. So exponents is the next letter, so we can ignore that one. We don't have exponents. We do have multiplication and division, but again, you solve the math problem from left to right. So multiplication would not go first. Some people will do that. They'll multiply this. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 3 divided by 4, and then gives you a number, right? A result. No, that is wrong. You start with division because we are reading this or solving this from left to right. So 3 divided by 2 goes first. And I want to turn this into a fraction to make the math easy. So it'll be written like this, 3 over 2. And then let's go ahead and bring down the times 2, but let's turn this 2 into a fraction, again, to make the math easy, because we know 2 over 1 equals 2, does not change the 2. So now we have 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. And all we have to do is multiply across. So 3 times 2 is 6 over 2 times 1 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So your answer is 3. And there you go. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.